I should probably mention some really important skills to have if you want to jump into this industry, do a full dive. Whether you are running your own agency or you're hoping to freelance in this market, wink, wink, there's a ton of people who need AI integration specialists. So if you get really good at just one of these activities and you post your rates on the internet, I promise there's somebody who is going to need your skill set. So, what kind of skills would be very valuable for anybody looking to get into conversational voice AI? First, prompt engineering. You need to know how to talk to the AI to get the responses you want from the AI. It's that simple. Figure out the inputs that match with the outputs. Keep tweaking it, keep playing with it. Again, a great place to go for free is ChatGPT 3.5 and get some hands-on experience. And I will also link a document below where you can get some more free resources for prompt engineering. Second, it would be really great if you also know at least a little bit about automation tools like Zapier or Make. This will help you build workflows that can trigger the AI calls, whether it's for, when somebody submits a form and you want to call them to contact them. For example, if somebody fills out a form on your website and you want to have the AI call to tell the person more about your company and potentially book an appointment, you are going to need a little bit of automation in there. So Make, Zapier, and if you use a CRM like Go High Level, that would be a great place to start. Some basic low code or no code automation skills. N8N. N8N, another really cool automation tool if you are a bit more on the developer side and want to, again, have a bit more of that custom. Okay, my my phone died, so we're switching up the angle again. But as I was saying, N8N is another really good solution if you are a bit more developer friendly and you want to be able to build some really cool solutions. And it's great for not only like an AI workflow, but a ton of automations that you can figure out if you get pretty good at N8N. What's really cool about the conversational voice AI space is it integrates really well with other AI skills. So if you can learn automations and workflows, then you're going to be in a really great space moving forward. So we have prompt engineering, we have low code or no code automations, which again, Make, Zapier, N8N, Go High Level, whatever you want to use for your automation software, super great, good on you. And then from there, just a basic understanding at least of API and webhooks. So you need to understand how these different applications speak to each other on the internet. When one application needs to be able to talk to another, it makes an API call. It sends a request. It's called sending a webhook. So it sends a data packet to wherever that webhook is being received. So we send information from, for example, if a form is submitted, it sends that form data, name, number, email. It's going to send that to your automation software to collect that data. That data is going to be pushed to a request for an assistant to make the call using the data that it gathered from the webhook. This might seem kind of confusing, but again, it's just a few steps. Form submitted, webhook caught, the data is pushed to the AI assistant so it knows what data to be calling about, name, email, phone number. Conversation happens, and then the outcome, that data is then pushed somewhere else. So the transcript from the call, the recording from the call ends up living somewhere. And that's pretty much it. Prompt engineering, some workflows, and understanding the basics of APIs and webhooks. And you're going to be in a pretty great place to keep rolling forward. If you want me to share my screen and walk through some of these build outs, in a bit more detail, just let me know what you want to learn, where you want to start and focus on, and I'll put together a whole video just dedicated to that one task. So right now we just kind of did an overview of the conversational voice AI space, talked about a few of the providers, who to look out for, where you can get started. Now it's time to get technical, get our hands dirty, and spend some time working with these really cool solutions. So if you're excited, let me know. Leave a like and a comment. We can hop into whatever you want to work on. Really, the best part about this space is there's a ton of cool people, and it's going to be a team that comes together to create the most value and really, change the future. So if you want to be part of the team, leave a like, follow, come back for more, add a comment so I know what you want to talk about, and engage. Make some friends. We're here to do this together. All right, I will see you guys very soon. They gave me this mug for free at Waffle House because I love that place. And they love me. It's like my sanctuary. Yeah. This is not sponsored, but it should be.